All right, on to the second page of Unit 2. Which is the better buy? That's your question. Explain your thinking using numbers, words, numbers, or labeled sketches. 12 cans for $7. This was the ratio table that we did. Or 6 cans for $4. Okay, well, I'm going to have this. Half of 12 is 6, half of 7 is 3.5, and I can stop right there because this is 6 cans for $4 or 6 cans for $3.50. I'd rather pay less money for 6 cans, so this would be the better deal. Okay, now some of you might have continued. If you're not sure, then again, just circle that. Now 6 cans for $7, 8 cans for $9. Now this one, cans and dollars, cans and dollars. Now this one, if I were to have 6 and put 3 and then have 3, I'd get 1.5 cans. And that doesn't make sense. So instead of having it, I'm gonna do 6 plus 6 is 12, 7 plus 7 is 14. Add another 6 cans, 18. Add another $7, $21. Add another 6 cans, 24 cans. Add 7 for $28. And down here, I add 8 and 8 is 16, 9 and 9 is 18. Add another 8, 24 cans, and this is 27. Okay, so right now, here's 24 cans for $27, or 24 cans for $28. So I would say that the better deal on this one is getting the same amount of cans for less money. So that 8 cans for $9 would be the better deal. All right, Connor gathered dry ingredients to make a large pan of brownies. Sounds great. He had 1 1/4 of sugar plus 2 2/3 cups of flour plus 1 1/6 cups of nuts to mix them together before adding other ingredients. How much does this equal altogether? Well, I'm looking at the denominators, and I think I'm going to add 2/3 plus 1/6 first. So 2 2/3 plus 1 1/6. I have to convert this to common denominator. 3 times 2, 2 times 2. And this stays the same. So now we have 2 plus 1 is 3 and 5/6. Okay, so that's 3 and 5/6. Now we have 3 and 5/6 plus 1 1/4. Common denominator between these two. For me, I'm going to pick 12. If you pick something else and you're not sure if you have the right answer, just let me know. 6 times 2, 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 3, 1 times 3. 13/12. 3 plus 1 is 4. So on this, I got 4 and 13/12. Now, that could be the right answer if you have 4 and 13/12. It says, how many cups of dry ingredients did he mix? Show your work. Some of you might switch this because this is an improper fraction and then put 5 and 1/12 cups. And make sure you can see that, okay? Ryan is 5 1/4 feet tall and John is 5 1/3 feet tall. Who is taller? Well, 1/3 is more than 1/4, so John is taller. How much taller? Show your work. So to find the difference, we do 5 1/3 minus the smaller number, 5 1/4. Now we know 5 take away 5 is 0. So really, to do this, we're going to do 1/3 minus 1/4, which is the same. Again, I'm going to use 12 for the common denominator. 3 times 4, 1 times 4. 4/12. 1/3 is the same thing as 4/12 times 3. So we have 4/12 minus 3/12 equals 1/12 inch. So how much taller? He is 1 1/12 of an inch taller. And that is page 2.